Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB payment not going through. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi can sometimes interrupt the payment process. Next, check that your account balance is enough. Make sure you have enough funds for the payments. Also, confirm that the recipient's account details are correct. Next, swipe off on the bottom of your screen, look for AIB Mobile and then swipe it away, wait for a few while and open it again. Restart your phone to clear temporary system issues that may affect the transactions. You should also check if the app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for AIB and make sure that the app is updated. Outdated apps can sometimes cause payment errors. If the payment still does not go through, try again, wait a few minutes, then because there may be a temporary server issue. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.